Hello everyone, I'm the Managing Director of the Built Environment Research and Innovation Institute under the Building and Construction Authority. We focus on working with research entities and industry partners such as yourself to develop and implement innovative solutions through initiatives such as the Built Environment Accelerate to Market program. We have run 2 BEAMP cycles in 2019. That was before COVID. We are now running the 3rd cycle against the backdrop of COVID. What is clear to all of us is that it's not going to be business as usual. We have to learn to adapt to deal with the new norm. To help us do that, we have to look towards innovative solutions to help us navigate through the challenges. The outcomes that we are looking for is to leverage on innovative solutions that can lead to a more sustainable, buildable and maintainable built environment. All of you are welcome to the 3rd cycle to help us transform the built environment. I think there will be more traction for the use of digital technology, artificial intelligence, robotics and automation to provide the impetus for transformation. What I hope to see as desired outcomes for the 3rd cycle in terms of solutioning is basically feet on the ground, eyes to the future. By that I mean there are immediate challenges and problems we need to tackle, and that will require innovative solutions. But I think more important as a process is for the innovators like yourself to really work with the challenge statement owners to understand the problem, and together we can curate a better solution. So I hope with your participation, the 3rd cycle of BEAMP can bring us a bit closer to this future of new possibilities.
Hi, welcome to the launch event of the 3rd cycle of the Built Environment Accelerate to Market program, or BEAMP for short. In support of BuildSG, BEAMP is an initiative by Building and Construction Authority, Enterprise Singapore, JTC, and the Open Innovation Platform. After 2 highly successful runs of BEAMP, we are excited to launch the 3rd cycle together with our program partner, Padang Co. I would like now to invite Padang Co. to share with us more about the program.
Built Environment Accelerate to Market program, or BEAMP for short, is a great platform and opportunity for innovators like yourself to co-develop, pilot, and test-bed solutions with our challenge statement owners. Awarded innovators will enjoy funding support to build up their innovation capabilities and gain access to a wider network of partnership opportunities. We are excited to have these challenge statement owners come on board for Cycle 3. Co-develop and test-bed your solutions with companies such as Add Materials Technology, Chuanlim Engineering, Kajima, Panta Ocean Construction, Sentali Construction, Team Build Construction Group, Keong Sing Group, and government agencies such as Building and Construction Authority and Land Transport Authority. Stay tuned as we onboard more challenge statement owners in the next few weeks. Our 7 thematic pillars of focus are advanced construction material, automation and robotics for construction, building inspection, maintenance and facilities management, construction site safety, digital asset delivery and management, advanced design and fabrication, and last but not least, smart estate management. We are looking for innovative solutions to address the following 11 challenge statements. More will come and be launched in late December. Firstly, for the pillar of advanced design and fabrication, we are looking for solutions to address these challenge statements, such as how might we improve the process of interpreting drawings for assembling rebar cages and improve the accuracy of the assembly? How might we better store, organize, and transport rebar parts to reduce the time taken to identify and collect the part required for assembly of rebar cages? How might we construct complex, bespoke building components using 3D printing techniques, which allow for designs that are aesthetically impressive, cost-effective, scalable, and sustainable? Secondly, for the pillar of automation and robotics for construction, we are looking for solutions to address these challenge statements of how might we move materials within a building more efficiently with less manpower and interruptions to work? How might we better simplify and automate the RC pipe installation process to reduce the time and manpower required? Thirdly, for the pillar of building inspection, maintenance, and facility management, we are looking for solutions to address these challenge statements, such as how might we accurately inspect rebars inside concrete structures for erosion using a non-destructive testing approach? How might we better check the layout of the as-built services located in the ceiling space while minimizing the need to open up the ceiling? How might we efficiently inspect cladding facades so that facade deterioration can be detected early? Lastly, for the pillar of digital asset delivery and management, we're looking for innovative solutions to address the challenge statements of how might we digitally collect actual production matrix and automate the reporting process? How might we better monitor the usage of excavators to optimize their productivity? How might we optimize the lifting schedule for the tower cranes for seamless operations and better productivity? These are the timelines and key milestones. So after today's launch, subscribe to the BEAMP.SG website to stay tuned for the second batch of challenge statements that will be launched in late December. To hear more from the challenge statement owners, sign up for the Q&A session that will be taking place in mid to late January. These Q&A sessions will provide better insights for you to tweak your proposal to then better chances to be awarded. Submit your proposals early by 5th of February, and selected submissions will enjoy priority and scheduling one-to-one consultations with challenge statement owners. Selected submissions will also receive consultation from Enterprise Singapore, Building Construction Authority, and Padang Co to help you refine and give you the opportunity to resubmit a better proposal. Awarded innovators will gain the opportunity to work closely with challenge statement owners in two unique program phases. These two program phases are two tracks of development and highly depend on both the tech maturity of the solution and the assessment of the evaluation panel. So say if your solution requires further prototyping development, you start at the Accelerate Solution Development phase, or ASD for short. And after completing the ASD stage for about 3 to 6 months, you can proceed to the subsequent next stage, Market Development Stage, or MD for short, for piloting and test baiting. Alternatively, if your solution is ready to be piloted and test baited, awarded innovators will start straight at the MD stage, which will take place over 12 months. At each stage, eligible innovators will also receive co-funding support from Enterprise Singapore of up to 70% of qualifying costs. At the ASD phase, up to $30,000 will be awarded for prototype development. And for the MD phase, up to $250,000 will be awarded for test baiting and project pilots. So, what are you waiting for? Visit BM.SG today and join the BM Psychosphere alongside with a large community of innovators. More challenge statement owners and challenge statements will be updated, so please stay tuned and subscribe. Make your submission or indicate interest on the website, and please feel free to direct your inquiries to BM at Padang Co.
Now, for those eager to understand how the past cycle went, over the past 2 cycles of BM, we have launched 36 challenge statements from 32 different industry firms looking for solutions. Out of these 36 challenge statements, there are currently 13 ongoing pilots with the industry firms and a further 7 projects working on developing the prototype solutions. These solutions range from site management, productivity improvement, facility management to green building solutions. Hence, BM covers a wide range of areas within the built environment sector, together with a variety of industry firms participating as challenge statement owners. The challenge statement owners could be from the builders or materials manufacturers community, consultants, developers, facility managers, as well as those from overseas. Since cycle 1, we have seen an increase in the number of firms participating as challenge statement owners. And in cycle 2, we welcome our first overseas challenge statement owner from Thailand. We are constantly looking to expand our BM networks and bringing more industry partners into the program. We believe that through partnerships and collaboration among different players in the construction industry, solution providers and government agencies, we could be able to exchange ideas, learn more from each other, and collectively build capabilities through the program. To provide you a flavor of BM, let's hear directly from a challenge statement owners and innovators from the past cycles.
We understand that research and innovation plays an important role in transforming the built environment sector. The BEAMP program brings together inventors and startup companies to fast-track the entire innovation process to solve real-world industry challenges in the built environment sector.
We are a leading A1 integrated construction enterprise that stays at the forefront of the industry in providing innovative, sustainable, and productive solutions. So to us, this BM initiative is a specially tailored platform that matches the innovative solutions with the need of the challenge provider. More importantly, this multi-agency initiative was willing to co-share the risk of new innovations through its support. This vibrant ecosystem fosters a triple win situation for local startups, industrial stakeholders, and our nation.
The biggest attraction for the challenge was that it was demand-driven, which means a potential customer was willing to co-develop the solution with us. Having JTC as a partner allowed us to use JTC's estates for our test bedding, which helped us pilot and improve our virtual energy audit solutions. It also helped us to build the track record. So this helped us create a much more targeted and relevant solution that solves specific problems for the industry. For example, our technology uses AI and machine learning to do energy assessment of buildings. And it was good for us to find out through this project what data is available in the market and how our innovative approach really benefits the customer. So we hope that through this demand-driven process, we have created the most relevant and the most impactful digitization solution for the industry.
We are interested in this because it offers both funding support and opportunity to pilot with leading company in construction sector. The BM program offers two phases for startup to choose from, namely product development phase and market validation phase. Fabrics chose to partner with Signboard to accelerate the development of automated sorting system for recycled concrete aggregates. Through this challenge, we realized there's huge potential in construction sector for automation to improve productivity. At the same time, there's huge potential to expand our existing business in transportation.
As an innovator for the built environment, BEAMP represented the ideal platform for us to collaborate with industry stakeholders such as the Building and Construction Authority, JTC Corporation, and main contractors. Working closely with them helped us understand the real pain points they were facing every day on construction sites, which helped us to narrow down and focus our solution and to onboard them as a customer after completing the test beds. Finally, we wanted to join BEAMP to challenge the status quo. The construction industry is a mature and archaic industry that needs more innovators like Espada to push for a higher standard of innovation.
By looking at the challenge, we see it as an opportunity for us to actually seek new business growth and at the same time work with the challenge owners as well as other companies to augment these 3D models that we have created. Personally, I feel that this challenge appeals to me because I was previously a site engineer and I had first-hand experience of the tedious and challenging task of doing inspection and checking. As the construction industry continues to face the challenge of skilled manpower, there exist many opportunities for startups to provide technology that will improve the productivity level of the industry. Indeed, it will also help the industry to move up the technology maturity level.
In terms of support and opportunities, Espada was among the winners of the market development phase. Our challenge statement owners are two A1 main contractors in Singapore, and part of our collaboration with them involves testing our software at their project sites. After the test trial is completed, we will enter into a commercial agreement to integrate the software in their other ongoing and future projects. So our participation in BEAMP has also helped our brand image in the market. We have received interest both locally and internationally and are currently doing trials and helping customers with their logistics. We have also been featured by BCA Nanyang Technological University, and other media platforms as an innovator for the built environment. JTC has also invited us to be panelists for its sustainability discussion on the built environment. We have also been requested to be featured in Startup SG.
The program has brought Vabix into the ecosystem of construction innovation. Vabix have been working innovation officer from respective company and now understand a lot more about the construction business. The BEAMP program also offer much publicity and pitch session to reach out to more customers.
We received a grant of $30,000 to accelerate the solution development. While the money certainly goes a long way to help us purchase equipment as well as employ dedicated staff for the development, we found that being engaged with BCA for the process was more important and valuable. They also gave us access to the sites, and at the same time, they also mentor us very closely along the way. We also had opportunities to participate in BCA-related events where we could do pitching, we could showcase our products, at the same time explore new business opportunities. We are now moving on to the next phase where we are participating in the BEAMP market development together with BCA to bring the product out to market.
We received the development grant from Enterprise Singapore. This grant allowed us to hire the right local expertise and tools to progress quickly on this project. The BEAMP program also gave us good exposure to potential customers, partners, and investors. We have also strengthened our research partnership with NTU Singapore to keep improving our technology with the latest cutting-edge techniques.
This program has helped Vabix to grow both business and technical team. Vabix started with computer vision and multispectral AI technologies, and now we are developing commercially ready prototypes.
Well, the journey certainly helped us to know more about product development. We could see how important it is to get intensive mentoring and advice from the challenge owners. We also saw how early and frequent inputs from the end users, as well as our agility in tweaking the technology, would lead to a successful product implementation. So far, our startup have actually focused on projects as well as project management, but this challenge certainly pushed us towards developing new capability in productization as well as solutioning. By participating in the project, we have certainly moved up another level.
In our opinion, the BEAMP initiative serves as a bridging platform that brings different parties from various fields together for purposeful collaboration. Being a challenge provider, SEMWO is contributing constructively to this program by guiding the innovators along the journey and opening up its facility for test bidding. In return, SEMWO has the first mover advantage to adopt these new and innovative solutions for improvement at preferential rates, or even to invest in scaling up for commercialization. In fact, both startups and challenge providers can also benefit from the information and knowledge exchanges that always happen throughout the process. These scenarios help to build up the innovation capabilities of all parties involved, especially local SMEs.
BEAMP has allowed Espada to transform an idea into reality. When we took part in the BEAMP Cycle 1 in 2020, the idea was there, but the product was not ready. By going through this challenge, we were able to develop the product and do a proof of concept. We have recently launched our product after the circuit breaker in Singapore, and within 2 weeks, we have already seen 10 customers approaching us for trials. Our product is currently being used in 4 countries. For us, it is only the beginning, but with a lot of grinding, luck and support from industry stakeholders like BCA, JTC and ESG, innovators like Espada can thrive. We look forward to the next challenge, and we are focused on making our vision come to reality as we push the built environment industry forward.